There we go. Back away from this dang tree. Kind of fish inside of it. There's debris everywhere. There's trees. This is pretty clear. Look up. Oh yeah. Got one. Ooh. Nice. Nice bass. Yeah, buddy. Rage swimmer. Keeping it honest for us. That's what I'm talking about. Oh wee. That's what I'm talking about. Golly. Oh man, I hope you guys seen this. You see it? What is that? Oh, I hope y'all seen that. No, just a big bass. Got us one. Nice one. About 3 pound. Like a 3 pound. Fish weight for the day. Two. All right, 271. Huh. It's a good 271. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. I think I gotta take a picture with this fish right quick. Look crazy. Hey. Oh, nice fish. Oh, beautiful, healthy bass right there, guys. Just a Texas rig. Rage swimmer, you know. Thought I was gonna have to switch to something more natural looking for this body of water, like the Crest City Mayor, but the Rage swimmer got a nice fish there, almost a 3 pound bass. So it was chunky. It was a healthy looking fish.